We're back in action. We got 2 days before we head out to Texas, and we have a handful of projects. Jane is back in the van. Baby, you happy to be back?
Yes.
Cool. All right. Here we are at our favorite place, the one place I've made a million trips to. And yet again, we're back. Today is one of those days where we're taking everything out of the van, going through most of it, getting rid of a bunch of stuff that we're not using, send it to donations, give it away, toss it, and cleaning out the van, wiping everything down, blowing it out with a leaf blower, and then throwing everything right back in, much more organized, much cleaner, and ready for the road ahead. So today we're hanging out on a piece of property that I like to call the plot. I lived on this piece of land for, I want to say, something like 3, almost 4 years, which is kind of wild to say. I lived in the van on the property, and then with Jana, we built a yurt and lived in the yurt for 1.5 years here. So this little plot of land is really special to the both of us, and it has afforded us so many opportunities, the ability to pay off our debt by living in a very affordable yurt with very low monthly expenses. And it allowed me to finish building the van and doing all kinds of work that I needed to with all the space and some garage space, really cool neighbors. And now I will continue that legacy with a few projects today. So enough of the boring talk. Let me show y'all what I got planned. So already I have consolidated everything from this little tool bag into this ammo can. And these ammo cans you can get at military surplus stores. They're about $20 and they're super handy. They're waterproof, they're pretty light, and very, very sturdy. So I've put my tools in here. Now this is gonna live on the roof of the van. So I have 2 more that are going up there, and by doing that, we've freed up an entire crate that we can use inside the van for storage. So I'm gonna run up there, hit a couple holes. This is where the ammo boxes are going to live. I wish they were a little bit more discreet or pleasing to the eye, but you know, I built this van for just me. I didn't know Jana when I built it, so now that there's 2 people, it's a little tight, and so we have to make do, which is why we got this big boy here. And I made a video about this Yakima skybox. There's a nice little review where you could check out everything about it. But you know, you just have to make do with the space you have. You have to get creative, and this is kind of creative, I think. This might actually be a lot easier than I thought because I have these small holes between the wood in the deck. So if I can just pull it through, then we're good. And all I gotta do is lock that up and make sure it's nice and tight. It might slide a hint. Actually, yeah, they might slide a hint, so I might have to do something to stabilize them. This tiny project is pretty much done. I just need to add a couple more of these little L brackets on the ends so that they're not shifting side to side. They won't go back to front now, However, I just need to add those and it's done. So this is a great little place to have some random tools. And then I got this Brinks little coded lock holding everything together. So feels fine. You know, honestly, if somebody really wanted to, they could steal this, but yeah, you got to be able to climb at least V1. And if you can't climb a V1, you can't get up here to the top of the van. So, all right, well, that's that right there. It's a little loose, but I'll add those brackets and it'll be fine. Next project. This is what the van looks like before we start throwing all of our stuff in and making it super packed. This is our little living room, our kitchen. Let me turn around. Doesn't it look pretty? Our kids. And then up there is our little stand-up area, little sky dome. Our batteries, our battle boards, our electric system. And then that's all of our crap has to go back in. We cleaned out the van completely, which looks and feels amazing. And tomorrow morning we have some more to do. Tomorrow night we are driving towards Phoenix off to Texas. So maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. It's kind of early. I got up early because it's gonna be a big day and I have a lot to do. So if I didn't wake up this early to try and get this specific project done of painting the trim, repainting the trim, I wouldn't get it done for a long time. So I'm taking advantage, waking up early, trying to get it in. All right, I'm gonna start prepping this van. You guys are gonna see the actual difference between this old stuff and the new black. Check it out. I'll do this small section over here. There you guys have it. This is the van painted up. I actually only got to half of it, which kind of sucks. So I only got this side panel and the grill. And that's totally fine because that's just how projects go. They take twice as long and they cost twice as much. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, y'all. We are supposed to be leaving for Texas tonight, but it might be tomorrow morning or afternoon or night, we'll see. Anyway, if you like what you saw and want to follow along, subscribe, comment, like on our stuff, and we'll see you guys next time around. Later.